On the outside, the pinecone fish has a pale yellow to whitish color with black outlines on its scales, forming a network of patterns with spike running down its sides. But a new scan reveals that these spikes aren't just on the outside, most of their skeleton is armor as well. The armor of the deep-sea, nocturnal fish is built from smaller bony subsections called scutes, that form a series of backward-pointing sharp scales on its body. The scan of the fish, also known as the pineaplefish, Clitopus gloriamari, in reference to its markings, was posted on Twitter by Matt Coleman, a University of Washington Friday Harbor Laboratories researcher. The subtropical fish is often observed in shallow coastal reefs, and also in deeper offshore waters. It's distributed in the eastern Indian Ocean to the western Pacific near Australia and can grow to about 22 centimeters, 8.7 inches, long. Aside from its striking rows of spines, the species has pale, luminescent organs on either side of its lower jaw, which produce a bioluminescent greenish glow that reportedly changed to red as the fish ages. The researchers used computed tomography, CT scanning, a method that creates cross-sectional images of specific areas of a scanned object without requiring the user to cut the object, to scan the fish. It revealed that the fish's skeleton has a layer of spiny armor built from smaller sections. Coleman told the Daily Mail that him and his team have no idea why these fishes have such extensive armor, but that it might help defend the fish. We know very little about so-called twilight zone reefs, where these fishes live, generally deeper than 150 feet. We think the armor must serve some defensive function, but defense from what is an interesting question. Most of the research on armored fishes states defense from predators as being a reason for armor, but myself and collaborators are exploring whether armor might serve other functions, perhaps as defense against competitors within the same species. Coleman told Live Science that while the fish is really weird for many reasons, his research team focused on the skeleton because they're interested in the way that bony armor evolved in fish. It's incredibly intricate, seemingly ornate, thick, overlapping plates, Coleman told Live Science. We knew from seeing them in collections and in aquariums that they had armor plating, but there's something about seeing the skeleton by itself where we realized, it seems like the majority of their skeleton is armor. The pinecone fish specimen was a loan from the California Academy of Sciences, as part of an initiative called Scan All Fishes started by the University of Washington's Friday Harbor Lab's researcher Adam Summers. Coleman has been using CT scanning to analyze fish anatomy for many years, and he says his lab has scanned 2,500 species so far. Now, the Scan All Fishes is being used by other researchers to post CT scans of fish.